Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure. Today we are at Dollywood to try out the food mobile order service. We tried this in a recent video up in Wildwood Grove at Till and Harvest. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll link it in the description below. Today we wanted to go a little more in detail and a little more in depth to show you guys exactly how this service works. Let's head over to Red's Drive-In to check it out. Alright, so when you're placing your order for the meal, you want to go to the Dollywood app on the home page, scroll down to My Food Orders and tap Order Now. Then you want to select which restaurant you want to order from. It's going to show us Red's because we're the closest to that one, so we're going to select Order Now. And then it's going to show us the available time. So it's 11:30 right now, and the soonest time they have is 11:45. So we're going to choose that, and then we're going to continue. And then we're going to choose what we want. So today we're just going to do a snack, and we're going to pick fries. And you can see it has the add-ons if you want that. We're going to choose not to do that, add to order, and then proceed to checkout. Okay, the only other screen you'll see for placing your order is the screen that you put your personal information in on. So obviously I didn't want to put that on camera, but there's only one other screen, and then at the bottom it will let you place the order. Once you've done that and you go back to the Home tab on your app, you can see under the My Food Orders that it'll show orders submitted for Red's Diner, and it shows your time window from 11:45 to 12 p.m. So we have about 10 minutes or so, 12 minutes before our food will be ready. So we'll wait a few minutes and then we'll head on inside Red's. As we wait to go inside to pick up our order, I wanted to show you guys all of the space outside to eat as well. It's one thing I love about this food option. There is tons of outdoor space to eat. Also outside is a beverage dispenser. This is a really convenient option, so you don't need to go back inside to refill your drink. There is also seating on the other side of the restaurant, and the good thing about this is they have umbrellas at the tables. Even though the area is not covered, this would be a good option to provide some shade. Just to give you guys some reference where Red's is located, so here is Lightning Rod, and then Red's is located right across from it. Okay, it's 11:45, so we're going to head in and see if our food is ready. You guys can see inside there is tons of seating options as well. Okay, so facing the counter, you can see on this back door, there's a sign that says pick up mobile food order here. So we're gonna walk over here and see if our food's ready. Okay guys, so we have got our food, and one thing I should have mentioned from that home screen where you see that your order has been started, when you arrive at Red's or wherever you're eating at, make sure to tap on that and select I am on my way, so that they will go ahead and start preparing the food. When I went to pick up the food, their printer system was actually down, but everybody was super good about it. I just showed them the app, showed them my order number that you get after you select that you are on your way, and they were able to just pull it up from there and got my food in a very fast and efficient manner. Also, just so you guys can see, after you select I am on my way, it'll give you your order number at the top. And another really good thing is it shows you under the subtotal your discount if you are a diamond or gold pass holder. So since you're using your app it knows what pass you have, and so it automatically factors that in, so you get your discount even if you're ordering mobile. Okay, so my overall opinion on mobile order is this is really nice for the park. I'm glad they did it. This is something that at Disney World, when we go, they have almost everywhere, and it's so efficient, saves you so much time. And anytime you're in a park, you want to be able to save time with your food so you can spend more time riding rides and just having fun overall. Like I said, we got some fries today, so I am going to eat lunch, and I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that so that you see all of our future videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video.